If you want a quick and simple way to access your Udemy courses, logging in with a password is the most straightforward method. Let me walk you through the process so you can start learning without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser, whether it is Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or anything else you normally use. In the search bar, type Udemy and press enter. Click the official Udemy website in the search results to head straight to the homepage. Once you are on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click the login button. You will now see the normal email and password login form. If you already have a password set up, simply enter your email, type your password and press login. You will be taken directly to your Udemy dashboard. But if your account was created using Google or another single sign-on method, then you need to assign a password before you can use this login option. To do that, log into Udemy using your existing method. Then look at the top right corner and hover over your initials. A menu will appear. Select Account Settings. Inside your account settings, find the section that lets you change or create a password. Go ahead and enter a new password that is strong and easy for you to remember. Using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. Once you enter it, confirm it and click Change Password. From now on, you can log into Udemy using your email and this password on any device, which makes access much simpler and more secure. And that is all it takes. You are now ready to log in quickly, smoothly, and continue learning whenever you want. Enjoy your courses and happy learning.